I'm getting away.
Get out there.
I can't! You guys seeing this? That's a flipping ton of birds. I can see them now.
I can't see them. Oh, there they are.
Why are they going in circles?
I don't know why they're doing that.
It's creepy.
Oh, there they are. You see them?
Yeah, we could be on ham slap.
Slap
ham.
Slap ham.
Ham slap. Oh my God. Yeah, we could be on slap ham.
That's as far as I can zoom it. Oh, shoot.
I know.
Now you can really see them.
They really are weird.
That is so freaky.
Right?
I hope I don't miss the bus trying to see this.
Yeah, do you want to try to put it on slap ham?
No.
Bye.
Bus.
Oh, bye.
Have a good day. That is so strange. Looks like a bunch of speckles up there and stuff. That is birds, people. A whole lot of birds just flying in a circle. Isn't that crazy? Birds. Huge circle. It's like, where are they all coming from?